Alright, what's up guys? We're here opening up several packs for Amonkhet. And let's get started here with Patrick, with my friend Patrick. And let's see if we can pull anything good. If he can get
slow opener.
If we can get into this pack, of course. Alright, so let's see what we get.
Middle. Push.
Oh, that's actually pretty good.
No, that's a comply.
Nice. Failure to comply and honor corrupt captain and the faith of the devoted. Nice.
Isn't that one that you want to look for?
Can't need that.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get into our next pack, guys. If he can get into them, of course. And our rare is which one's our rare? Timid Vizier. Alright, nice. Alright, on to the next pack, guys.
What do we got? Failure to comply and...
Alright, let's see what we get next, guys. Alright, and our rare is nice. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we can open from these three packs. And doing this opening this time around will just be me. Hold this, hold this. Alright, so let's open this up. It looks like I'm also having trouble opening these packs.
Your shadow is actually...
I know. Liliana's Mastery is our rare. Alright, let's see what we get from the other two packs. Moving that over to the side.
What do you need at the shirt? Your shadow. You move it over the top.
Alright, coming up to the uncommons here. Our rare is that. And we pulled land. Pretty cool, we pulled that. And now for our last pack. Alright, our first uncommon. Oh, that was our first uncommon. Next uncommon is that. That's our following uncommon. And our rare is Gideon's Intervention. Alright guys, so quick recap of all our rares and uncommons.
And one foil.
And our one foil. That is actually a really good card. So is that one. Failure to Comply is a good one too.
That one's pretty good. That's
Cast
good.
Out, actually really good. This one too?
No, cast out.
Oh yeah, Cast Out for sure. That's nice. This is good. This is good. And this for sure is good. Alright guys. This was a special opening here for Monket. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.